beFree Sounds Projection Party Light Dome Sub-woofer Bluetooth Portable Party Speaker. Offers both stunning sound and an extremely fun projection light dome that really sets a party mood. You can choose to use this speaker with or without the light projection. 4x2.5 LED light projection dome. Includes remote control and wireless microphone. Top reviews from the United States. I bought 3 of these speakers for work. The first one was good for about 2 months, so I bought one more, but the second one did not even turn on properly. I sent it back and received the replacement, which went bad immediately in less than 3 weeks of use, just as the first one did. The problem is at some point, the speakers go bad. It starts to skip when the volume is past a certain level. Also, the first speaker wouldn't hold charge anymore. Avoid this product at all costs. I'm hoping Amazon will reimburse me for all the speakers.